Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the auto rear wipe with reverse gear on a 2008 Renault Laguna Mark III, but this should apply for all models 2007 through to 2015. To access the settings menu to activate this option, put your key into the dash to turn on the ignition, and with the ignition on, use your trip computer buttons at the end of the wiper stalk to navigate through your trip computer options. See, settings menu, press and hold down your trip computer button to access this. And you'll see the second option here is auto rear wipe with reverse gear. So push in your trip computer button to turn it on. You'll see the tick has just gone on there. Now that means when you put your Renault Laguna into reverse, your rear wiper blade will turn on, giving you better visibility, hopefully. So we hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.